Most Pythonic way to delete a file which may not exist. I want to delete the file name if it exists. Is it proper to say? Is there a better way? A one-line way.
A more Pythonic way would be. Although this takes even more lines and looks very ugly, it avoids the unnecessary call to OS path that exists and follows the Python convention of overusing exceptions. It may be worthwhile to write a function to do this for you.
I prefer to suppress an exception rather than checking for the file's existence, to avoid a talk debug. Matt's answer is a good example of this, but we can simplify it slightly under Python 3, using context_lib.suppress. If filename is a pathlib.path object instead of a string, we can call its .onLink method instead of using os.remove. In my experience, path objects are more useful than strings for file system manipulation. Since everything in this answer is exclusive to Python 3, it provides yet another reason to upgrade.
As of Python 3.8, use pathlib.path.onLink with the missing _k equals truequarg docs here. Otherwise, a try except block is the best way to do it as it is thread safe, unlike an if-else block that checks if the file exists. In Python 3.3, the file_not_founderer was introduced as a subclass of OSRA specific to the file not existing, and in Python 3.4 pathlib was added as a cleaner way to deal with the file system. So,
os.path exists returns true for folders as well as files. Consider using os.path is file to check for whether the file exists instead.
In the spirit of Andy Jones' answer, how about an authentic ternary operation?
I